I just kept pulling up my skirt because I was just like, it's too much skin showing. Oh, like Dil Tham Ke, like that. Yeah, anytime. वो तो बस नींद में सोते सोते Dil Tham Ke, yeah. She would be like, stop doing that, and she would come and be like, don't do that, and like, you know. Saqib Salim, it's a challenge, it's not a request. It's a challenge.
Okay.
My phone hasn't stopped ringing, the messages are happening, the DMs are going crazy. Important ये होता है, don't sweat and don't smell.
Hey guys, this is Alice Cara Peter, and today I have a very special guest with me who's recently dropped a song and has taken over the internet like crazy. Huma Qureshi. How are we doing today?
We're doing pretty well, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, the song's dropped. Okay, it's taken over the internet. Everyone's talking about it. And I have to ask you, who was the first person who called you or messaged you and was like, this is my reaction about the song? And what was the reaction?
I think just the fact that as soon as I think we finished shooting the song, the producer, Jayu, he called me and said, okay, next week I'm going to show you the song. And then I was like, oh, okay, that they're like, you know, normally you have to chase producers to say,
Yeah.
please show me the song. And then, I went over and I saw the song and I was just like, and he's like, what do you think? And I was like, I love it. Like, I don't even have any like feedback. Like, it's great. You
Yeah.
guys have done a great job. He's like, no, you've done a great job. But no, I think my phone hasn't stopped ringing. The messages are happening. The DMs are going crazy.
But who was the first person who reached out to you to tell you, like, you know, this song's amazing?
Not like anyone from the industry I can think, but like lots of people, lots and lots of people. My school friends and college friends, and like just saying the song is amazing and looking gorgeous. And
Yeah.
I think unanimously everyone's like, you never look better.
Okay. So when you were shooting this song, tell me, was there a moment which was so difficult, maybe because of the choreography or any other challenges that you must have faced?
नहीं यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं. It was a great fun song. I worked with Vijay sir before, and we've had a great collaboration on Monica, My Darling. This is the second time we were working together, and I knew I was in safe hands. We've rehearsed for a week, I don't know, 10 days, and we tried different iterations of the moves on the floor, above, hand movement, this, that, and the other. And I felt confident, and I felt like, okay, let's just go and have fun. And I think the vibe on set also was like really fun in games. It wasn't like कुछ serious कर रहे हैं. We're not trying to, save the world or whatever. We're just having fun.
Yeah, there's a particular step where you're actually, down and you're just moving that way. That that's a kind of step that a lot of people find very difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
a lot of like quad strength.
Yeah, exactly.
That's when your gym works.
Yeah,
good gym work
exactly.
helps.
So did you have any sort of retakes or anything, or you were like, I'm like a one take baby now?
नहीं retakes तो होते हैं because that song there's so many elements, right? You could be great, but पीछे किसी का हाथ is not moved at the right time, or there's some lighting thing or whatever. But that's fine because I think after the first one or two takes, you really get in the groove of it. Also, take all your own inhibitions, if at all. Like, you also learn how to express the song better.
Yeah.
Through your face. And I'm
Expressions.
a big believer in that. I feel songs are not just made about, it's not about the big steps.
Of course.
It's about the nuances. It's about the meaning of it. How do you make the song your own?
Yeah.
How do you add like your own tadka, your own flavor to it? I think that's when a song really sort of like, hits home.
Exactly.
Or people really feel for it.
Exactly. So like the way you said, you kind of like, kind of improvise every time you do a take maybe. Or, maybe the meaning, what it meant to you the first time you heard it and when you were doing it changes that way, right?
Yeah.
So during this song, was there like any moment where you were like, yeah, I can do this better to one more take, and you kind of improvise that way?
Well, I did do a lot of improvisation. I think on the second day, Vijay sir told me that, today you're feeling it even more than day one. And I was like, really? And I was like, also I think you've been working on a set for that day, and you just get more comfortable. It's just about that. Yeah.
You've also done Monica, Oh My Darling, and the song Ye Zindagi flew.
Thank you.
So now when you're doing a song like this one, okay, did you feel the pressure a lot more? Ki, oh God, one more song and, I just don't know if it's going to fly or whatever, but I'm giving my best.
But you never know if anything is going to fly or not. Just a song, a film also. You never really know till you know.
Yeah.
And I think I don't like to take pressure on anything.
Yeah.
Honestly, this was just all friends, literally, like, working on this film together. And I was like, yeah, I'm just going to go have fun and think of it like me dancing in, like, I don't know, a party or someone's birthday or something. And, and honestly, like, I think the song has become bigger than even my expectations. I feel like it's just the reaction has been so lovely. It's really taken me also by surprise.
Yeah, I mean, I've read the comments, and it hasn't stopped. They're praising you.
Thank you. People are very kind.
Yeah, people are. Okay, I'm going to move to a game segment.
Okay.
Okay, so game face on. First one coming your way is one word to describe the drop of Dil Tham.
I don't know, mic drop. Can I say that? Is it too
Possibly.
vain
No,
to
not
say
really.
that? Okay. Yeah.
Okay, the funniest moment or the most memorable moment from the shoot?
Yeah, at some point, I thought like, I just kept pulling up my skirt because I was just like, it's just too much skin showing. And Niharika, who did my costumes, was amazing, by the way. She would like, stop doing that. And she would come and be like, don't do that. And like, that was quite funny. And I've known her for years and there's a lot of love and comfort. So we had this, and just sometimes, and just to like, so once or twice I actually did, and the other time I would just do it to like just trouble her a little bit. I'm like, I'm not comfortable. She's like, stop it. And I'm like, It was just a little game we were playing. I was just troubling her.
But was the costume heavy?
Yeah, the skirt was had a bit of a tassel work
Yeah.
and like the gold work. So had a bit of a weight. But I think the way Niharika designed it was to give me maximum comfort in movement. So I could do the steps on the floor or just walk around and not really feel the weight of it. Yet
Yeah.
it looked really, really opulent and glamorous.
Yeah, I think costumes also play such an important role.
100%. 100%.
Okay, next one coming your way. Complete this sentence. Rajkumar Rao is?
One of the best actors we have in this country.
Absolutely. Okay, 3 celebrities who are your major dance inspiration.
I mean, the OGs, man. Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi, Rekha ji, like.
Yeah.
mm.
Okay, I'm gonna get you into a little bit of a different zone right now because you have to break into move right now.
All right then. Am I getting paid for this? No.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
The
What kind of move?
The hook step.
Oh, like Dil Tham Ke, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anytime. वो तो बस नींद में सोते सोते. Dil Tham Ke, yeah.
Okay, next one. Who's the one celeb friend you challenge to recreate the hook step?
I want to. By celeb friends. I want my mom to do it. I want my brother to do it. My brother's a celebrity.
I think you should totally make.
I think my brother
should
should do it. Have you seen my brother's Instagram stories? He's hilarious. I think he should totally do like a 1 hour special where he breaks down my song. He's quite funny, and then
Yeah.
he does the step as well.
Oh, I think we'll be looking forward to that one now.
Yeah.
This is a request.
Saqib Salim, it's a challenge. It's not a request. It's a challenge.
Okay. What's the one item song shoot survival kit?
Item song shoot survival kit. Water, fan because you're sweating so much. Electric socket because your hairdresser has to do your hair literally sometimes when you're standing in your position. So an extension cord, an electric extension cord. I know, see, such unglamorous things I'm telling you, but these are real things, guys. You think ऐसे हो जाता है, but literally you're sweating and then your hair is clamping and your hairstyle is going crazy. So you need to have tar, ताकि खड़े position में your hair is getting done. You need to, like I have this little mist fan, which is literally that chotu, but
The one that you switch on.
yeah,
like that,
but it's really powerful. So like fully you dry yourself. And what else? Some deodorant maybe.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
Because you guys are also shooting for such long hours.
See, you'll get real answers from me. So I'm sure if you ask
I'm
someone
glad.
else, they'll say, ki, oh my, I don't know, my makeup. I'm like, these important ye hota hai. Don't sweat and don't smell.
Okay. What is the last dish that you ate?
I just had some grilled chicken from my house, some tori ki sabzi, and 1 katori of dal.
Wow. Okay. What's the one food item that you're craving right now?
Actually, I'm not craving anything right now. But if somebody wants to send me, please send me some nice paleo bakes cake.
I love that.
Right? I mean, I don't know why I just said that. I really like them. It's not an endorsement. I don't have an equity in the company. I think it's just amazing.
If you had to get a movie character as your date tonight, who would it be?
Maybe James Bond.
Oh.
I don't know.
So that takes me to my next question. You know how mama knows everything, mama knows best, okay? What's the one thing that your mama told you, okay? And now when you look back at it, you're like, mama was so right.
So many things, my mama still keeps telling me and she's always right. So I don't know what to like. I've stopped contesting it. I'm like, yeah, mom, you're right.
Yeah.
And even without you telling me, you're still right. I agree. I'm wrong.
Is there anything that, Saqib, when you actually go to your mom for advice for till date, like it's always your go-to?
I think moms are just like your first call for help, first call for safety, first call for you're hungry, first call for you can't find something. I think your first reflex as a human being
Yeah.
is to call for mama.
Yeah. I absolutely agree
Yeah.
there. Okay. Thank you so much for this wonderful time. I'm so sorry this interview has come to an end.
Oh,
It is getting
no.
saucier. All right. Thank you so
All
much,
right.
Huma, for
Thank
doing
you.
this
This was
and giving
lovely.
your time. This is amazing.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Huma Qureshi from Ma Razi.